What do you tell her? Say, Nyah, be gentle.
Be gentle.
Be gentle, Nyah.
Be gentle, Nyah. Be gentle.
Maybe you could quit poking her you could quit poking her beak. She'd probably quit snapping at you. No, Weston, let her be. Let her explore. Weston, do I make you sit still? Or do I let you explore? Good boy. Use your words, though. Tell her step up. Tell her good girl.
Or sit right here.
Okay. Nyah, he really wants you to sit with him right there. Sorry you wanted to explore, little lady. You have to wait a few. Weston, why don't you talk to her nicely?
Don't hurt me.
She's not hurting you.
She's on my hand.
She is on your hand.
I want to.
Because she wanted to? That's wonderful, Weston. That's very trusting of her and you.
Oh, this is on there.
Can you do this little piggy?
This little piggy. One Toddler. Oh, that's really tight.
Okay.
This.
Oh, where's she going? Is she exploring again?
Again.
Let's see, how does she get up there? What is she doing? Is she looking in on the baby?
What are you doing?
She wants to see the baby. Watch her for a second. Look, see what she does.
I want her.
Hold on. Let's see where she's going. Watch her. She's exploring. Maybe she wants to play hide and seek. You like hide and seek?
With now.
Yeah.
I want hide to say with now.
Okay, how about Nyah counts and you hide, okay?
Naya's counting.
Nyah's going to count. She's going to count right here at the window. She's going to look out there and count, and you are going to go hide. Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here comes Nyah and Mommy. Come on, little girl. Let's go find your boy. Alright, see the Sesame Street? That's what the baby's so into. Weston! Where'd you go? Are you under the bed? No. Are you behind the play stand? No. Are you under the desk? No. Are you... There he is! We found you!
You do it again with Naya.
Okay, we will. Your turn. Are you going to count or are you going to hide more? Okay, we're going to count. 1, 2,